بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى ال محمد وبارك وسلم عليه رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي امري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربنا زدنا علما اجمعين السلام عليكم ورحمه الله وبركاته الحمد لله by Allah's grace and fadl in the class number 119 today inshallah we are going to continue lesson number 3 it's the Tamarin part. Let's get started. number 11 يوجه المدرس إلى كل طالب هذا السؤال في أي عام ولدت؟ فيجيب الطالب قائلا ولدت عام كذا للهجرة للميلاد بادئا بالعدد الأدنى. Now this has been already asked. Teacher should ask each and every question this question. What is the question? In which year you were born? And the student has to reply with I was born in this so and so year. Okay. And this is already has been done. Now let's proceed to number 12. Or number 11, or someone can say based on the dars that we have studied. See, let me show the key. Answering to the question number 11. For example, let us say ولدت عام 67 و900 وألف للميلاد. I was born in the year 1967 CE. So, ولدت, I was born. عام is your year. That is zarf here, maful fihi. That's why it is mansub. Or you can say zarf. Sabatin is mudaf ilayhi. Sabatin wa sittina. It should come from the last. First sabatin and then sittina. You should start from the al-adad al-adna, the least number. So here the Fasal is mentioned bil adadi al-adna, which means the least number. So we should start with the least number. ولدت عام 67 معطوف على 7 y is harf. Then 900 900 again 90 معطوف على 7 وهو مضاف 100 مضاف إليه and 1000 ألف ألف معطوف على 7 للميلاد. So this is how this has to be done. So please now get out of this. Okay. So let's proceed to the next summary. Number 12. تحذف الأليف. The alif will be removed or dropped. Alif will be dropped. واللام من العالمي. The alif and lam will be dropped من العالمي المقترن بهما in the nidai. So both of the alif and lam will be dropped during the nida. For example, nahwa al-hasanu. So this is a name which has alif lam, but when you say ya, when you bring ya here, then it should be ya hasanu, not ya al-hasanu. Okay, that's why here it is mentioned al-alifu al-lamu tuhza. Tuhza for alifu al-lam means alif and lam will be dropped from the proper name. Okay. So again, this also has been done in the key as well. Note that certain proper names have like al-Zubayr, al-Husayn, al-Hasan. When the particle ya is used with them, alif lam is dropped. Example, ya Hasanu, not ya al-Hasan. Next move on to and the same 12 we have some more examples have been given here. Nadi al-alama al-atiyat. Nadi means make the following nouns as the al-munada. Okay, so al-Husaynu. Now you bring here ya Husaynu. Alif lam should be dropped. Al-Zubayru, ya Zubayru. Al-Harithu, ya Harithu. Al-Bara'u, ya Bara'u. Not alif lam. Don't add alif lam there. Okay. Number 13. An-Nasabu. So nasabu also is already mentioned there. nasabu ilhaku yain mushaddadatin. ilhaku joining, adding ya fi akhir al-ismi, the end of the noun, tadullu ala nisbatihi, that will denote its nisba, its relation. Nahwa al-Hindu, India, Hindiyun. So you are adding, you have added here ya mushadda. Now al-Hindu, now you are adding here ya, it becomes Hindiyun, and it gives its nisbat. Nisbat means its connection, its relation. So Hindi means Indian. This is formed from al-Hindu by adding ya at the end. This process is called nasab, and the noun after the addition of this ya is called mansub. Note that certain nouns have irregular mansub forms. Example, akhaviyun, brotherly, from akhun; abawiyun, fatherly, from abun; nabiyun, prophetic, from nabiyun. Okay. So make note of this as well. Let's proceed to further. Al-Hindu, Hindiyun; Al-Iraqu, Iraqiyun; Al-Hindu, India; Hindiyun, Indian; Al-Iraqu, Iraq; Iraqiyun, Iraqiyan. Now unsub ila al-asma'il atiyati. Now we'll have to form the nasab of the following nouns. Now Sudanu becomes Sudaniyun; Al-Yabanu, Yabaniyun; An-Nahwu, Nahwiyun; An-Nabiyyu, Nabawiyun. Clear? I read one more time. Al-Sudanu, Sudaniyun; Al-Kuwaitu, Kuwaitiyun; Al-Yabanu, Yabaniyun; Ad-Dinu, Ad-Dinu, Ad-Diniyun; Ad-Dinu, Diniyun; An-Nahwu, Nahwiyun; At-Tarikhu, Tarikhiyun; An-Nabiyyu, Nabawiyun; Al-Akhu, Akhaviyun. And last two's explanation have been given in the key that we have just read. So let's proceed to next. And remember, Sudanu is Sudan, and the person who is from Sudan, who is born in Sudan, we say Sudaniyun, Sudanian. Likewise, Al-Yabanu, Japan, and Yabaniyun, Japanese. Al-Kuwaitu, the country name Kuwait, and Kuwaitiyun, the person who is from belongs to Kuwait, Kuwaitiyun, Kuwaiti. Clear? The last one, Nabawiyyu, is Nabawiyun, is prophetic, and Al-Akhu, Akhaviyun is brotherly. Fine. Let's proceed to number 14. Istakhrij min ad-darsi amsilatan lin-nasabi. Extract from the lesson examples for lin-nasab. So from the lesson number 3, we need to look for nasab and should write under this summary. Number 15. Ukharu. Jama' ukhra. Ukharu is a plural of ukhra. وهي ممنوعة من الصرف. It is ممنوع من الصرف. قال الله تعالى في القرآن الكريم: فمن كان منكم مريضا أو على سفر فعدة من أيام أخرى. See, من أيام أخرى. Because أيام is in majrur, so أخرى should be also in majrur. Since it is ممنوع من الصرف, it has got only one fatha instead of kasra. And it is not here for ayyam. Number 16. Ta'ammal ma'ali. Observe what follows. Yastati'u, tastati'u, astati'u. Okay. So it is possible or it can. The meaning is it can or it is possible. One man yastati'u an yaktuba ad-darsa al-saburati bi khattin wadihin. We will be able to write the lesson on the board with clear writing. بخط واضح with clear writing. Okay. Number 2. تستطيع أن تسوق شاحنة يا زبير. Khajan, number 2 you read Khajan.
تستطيع أن تسوق شاحنة يا زبير. Can you able to drive a truck, Zubair?
Truck. Okay. Good. Can you ride a truck? Oh, Zubair. Saka, Yasuku, Tasuku. Mean to lead or to drive. Will you be able to? Can you? Is it possible? So we can, these meanings can be given here. تستطيع أن تسوق شاحنة يا زبير. Fine. Next number 3. هذه الرسالة بخط رديء لا أستطيع أن أقرأها. تستطيع أن تقرأها أنت يا براو. هذه الرسالة, this letter, بخط رديء, in worst writing, in bad writing. رديء, it is the opposite of واضح. بخط واضح, clear writing. بخط رديء means worst writing, bad writing. لا أستطيع أن أقرأها. I will not be able to read it. أستطيع means I able. I can. لا أستطيع, I can't, or I may not be able to. لا أستطيع أن أقرأها. I may not be able to read it. أقرأ is فعل مضارع منصوب and ها and فاعل مستتر تقديره أنا. ها is مفعول به, reference relates to a risala. تستطيع, do you, will you be able to, can you, تستطيع, can you, أن تقرأها, can you read it, أنت means again it is given here to emphasize. Ya bara, oh bara, can you read it? Or تستعين, so it is addressed to ya Layla. That's why تستعين. أن تغسلي, نون is stop, فعل مضارع منصوب بحذف النون. يا is the file referring أنت. هذه الملابس مفعول به. هذه is مفعول به. الملابس is your بدل. اليوم is ظرف, or you can say مفعول فيه. يا ليلى, يا is حرف نداء, ليلى is المنادى. Can you wash these clothes today? Oh Layla, will you be able to wash? Is it possible for you to wash? Fine. Okay, let's proceed to number 17. تأمل معي, observe what follows. صلى يصلي, صلي. صلى is فعل ماضي, يصلي is فعل مضارع, صلي is فعل أمر. Number 1. صليت الظهر يا حسين. Hussein, did you pray? Did you perform Zuhar? Did you pray Zuhar? Have you prayed Zuhar? Number 2. صليت في المسجد الحرامي وفي المسجد النبوي الشريف وأحب أن أصلي في المسجد الأقصى بإذن الله. صليت في المسجد الحرام, I prayed in Masjid al-Haram in Makkah. وفي المسجد النبوي الشريف, the holy prophetic masjid. وأحب أن أصلي, I would like to pray. صلى يصلي, يصلي, تصلي, تصلي, أصلي, نصلي, أصلي, I pray. وأحب أن أصلي, I want to pray, I wish to pray, I like to pray. في المسجد الأقصى, in مسجد الأقصى, بإذن الله, بإذن الله, if Allah wills, or we can say with the permission of Allah. Allah நாடி இருந்தா சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, இன்ஷா அல்லாஹ் சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல, அதோட மீனிங் பி இது இல்லை, with the permission of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I would like to pray in Masjid al-Aqsa. Next, number 3. Solli bina ya shaykhu. Solli bina ya shaykhu. O gentleman, a sheikh, or scholarly person. Sheikh means scholarly person, gentleman. A sheikh, the person who is in older age, can be referred to. Solli bina. Solli bina means lead us prayer. I mean, you be the imam for us and to lead the prayer. Solli bina. It's also clearly mentioned in the key. Refer to the key for the information which has been given by Dr. Fasal. لا تصلي الفرائض في البيت. لا تصلي الفرائض في البيت. Don't pray for the prayers, the obligatory prayers, في البيت, in the home, the house. لا تصلي الفرائض في البيت. Do not pray the fard, obligatory prayers in the home. لا is لام الناهية. تصلي فعل مضارع مجزوم بحذف حرف العلة, by dropping the حرف العلة. Okay. فاعل مستتر تقديره أنت. الفرائض مفعول به في البيت جار مجرور. number 5. لما أصلي العصر. لما أصلي العصر. I have not prayed Asr yet. I have not prayed the Asr yet. I know on the Asr Tulugla. Lamma is always like a particle that makes fail mudari into majzoom. That's why usalli, this ya is dropped. Fail mudari majzoom bihasfi arfalillah. Fa mustati taqdirhu ana. Al-asra is maful bihi. So the meaning is lamma usalli al-asra. I have not prayed Asr prayer yet. No Asr no Tulugla. No Tuluga boran. Tulugano அப்படின்னு சொல்றதுக்காக உள்ள வாசகம் இல்லை. கட்டாயமா இந்த மாதிரி வாசகம் வந்து சொல்லி பினா யா ஷேக் இதெல்லாம் வந்து நம்ம வந்து மனப்பாடம் பண்ணிடணும். பி இஸ்னி இல்ல, அதெல்லாம் வந்து மனப்பாடம் பண்ணிடணும். ஓகே, சொல்லி பினா அது மீனிங் பார்த்தீங்களா, யா ஷேக் எனக்கு துளுவைங்கன்னு அர்த்தம், எங்களுக்காக துளுவைங்க. பாருங்க, சொல்லா ஹி ஆஃபர் சலாம், the mudari is solli and the amr is solli. The expression solli bina means he led us in salah. Solla bina, third person. That is, he was our imam. So solli bina means lead us in salah as the imam.